Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 22. It is 22. Here also we want to solve some question about power. Simplify the following question. Question 1. Question 1. We have 9 to 12 to the 12 multiplied by x plus y whole to the power 3 over 9 into x plus y. It is equal to 12 multiplied by 9 into x plus y whole to the power 3 minus 1. It is equal to, if we cancel these two numbers by 3. 9 multiplied by 3, 3. 12 multiplied by 3, 4. 4 by 3, it is multiplied by x plus 1, y it whole to the power 3 minus 1, it is equal to 2. Number 2, we have 4 over y whole to the power 3 into 3 over y whole to the power 4. Now we want to write 4 to the power 3, y to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 4, y to the power 4. It is equal to numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. We multiply 4 to the power 3, 64, 3 to the power 4, it is equal to 81, y to the power 3 plus 4, it is equal to 7. Number 3, question 3, we have x plus y 5 whole to the power 0, it is equal to 1 if x is not equal to 5. Every number to the power 0, it is equal to 1. Number 4, we have minus 2x square whole to the power 3 multiplied by 4x cube whole to the power minus 1. Here minus to the power negative odd number, it is equal to minus to the power 3 into x to the power 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 into 4 to the power minus 1 into x to the power minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 3. It is equal to minus 8 into x to the power 2 multiplied by 3, 6 into 4 to the power 4, it will become 1 by 4 into x to the 1 by x to the power 3, 1 by x to the power 3. It is equal to 4 multiplied by 8, 1, 2. It is equal to minus x to the power 6, x to the power 3. They cancel. Then we get 2 into x to the power 2. 3 minus 6, it is equal to 3. X to the minus 2x to the power 3. Number 5. Z plus 2 whole to the power minus 3 into z plus 2 whole to the power minus 1. It is equal to z plus 2 whole to the power minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. We add exponent. Number 6. Question number 6. Minus 2x square whole to the power 3 into 4x cube whole to the power minus 1. Or number 6 and 4 are repeated. Yeah, we have this question. We solved already this question. Number 7. Number 6. X over 10 whole to the power minus 1. It is equal to 10 over x whole to the power 1. it is equal to 10 by x, 10 over x. Number 7, 4y to the power minus 2 whole to the power into y 8y to the power 4, it is equal to 4 multiplied by 8, 32, into y to the power minus 2 plus 4, it is equal to 32 into y to the power 2. Number 8, 3 to the power n into 3 to the power 2n, it is equal to 3 to the power n plus 2n, it is equal to 3 to the power 3n. Also we can write 3 to the power 3 whole to the power n, it is equal to 27 whole to the power n. It is also correct. Number 9, x to the power 2 into x to the power 4 over x to the power 3 into x to the power n, it is equal to, first we multiply the numerator x to the power 6 into x to the power 3 plus n, it is equal to x to the power 6 minus 3 minus n, it is equal to x to the power 3 minus n. Number 10, a to the power minus 2 over b to the power minus 2 into a b over a whole to the power 3. Now we can write this one, a over b whole to the power minus 2 into b over a whole to the power 3, it is equal to b over a whole to the power 2 into b over a whole to the power 3, it is equal to b over a whole to the power 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. Number 11, a to the power minus 3 over b to the power minus 3 into a over b whole to the power 3. We want to solve this question. It is equal to, we can write b over a whole to the power 3 into a over b whole to the power 3. Now it is equal to b over a into a over b whole to the power 3. The exponent are same, we multiply the bases. These two cancel, also this cancel, 1 by over 3, it is equal to 1 to the power 3, it is equal to 1. It is the answer of this question. Question 13. It is question 13. 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2, it is equal to 3 to the power 3 plus 4 minus 2, it is equal to 3 to the power 5. 9 to the power n minus 2 over 3 to the power 2n minus 3 to the power into 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power m minus 1 over 3 to the power m. 3 to the power m, it is equal to 3 to the power 2, it is equal to 9 whole to the power n minus 2, it is plus 3 to the power m minus 1. From same basis we take 1 minus m minus 1 minus m, it is equal to 3 to the power 2 multiplied by n, 2n minus 4, 3 over 3 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 3 to the power 1, it is equal to 3 to the power 2n minus 4, the exponent of numerator minus 2n minus 1, it will become minus 2n plus 1, 3 to the power minus 1, it is equal to 3 to the power plus 2n minus 2n cancelled, then we get minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1, it is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3, 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1, 1 by 1 over 27 plus 1 over 3. We take common denominator 27 divided by 27, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 27 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 1, 9. 1 plus 19 over 27. Number 15 to the power 2 whole to the power 6 is equal to the power 3. It is equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3, 6. It is equal to 64. 16, 8 to the power 2m whole to the power 3 n. It is equal to 8 to the power 2 multiplied by 3, 6 m multiplied by n, m n. 17. Question 17. Minus 2 whole to the power 3. Minus 2 whole to the power 3, it is equal to minus, because the exponent is odd number, therefore minus to the power 3, it is equal to 8. It is equal to 8. Question 18. 2x square into y to the power minus 3 whole to the power 4. It is equal to the power 4. To the power 4 into x to the power 2 multiplied by 4, 8, into y to the power minus 12. Minus 3 multiplied by 4, minus 12. 19. Question 19. We have x to the power 2, y to the power 3 whole to the power 18 over 2 into x to the power 3, y to the power 2 whole to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 2 multiplied by 3, 36, into y to the power 3 multiplied by 18, 54. 54 over 2 into x to the power 3 multiplied by 5, 15, into y to the power 10, 2 multiplied by 5, 10. It is equal to 1 by 2 into x to the power 36 minus 15, 21, into y to the power 54 minus 10, 44. Number 20 and final one. We have minus 1 over 2 whole to the power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 whole to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2 whole to the power 2 over minus 2 square into minus 1 over 2 whole square. We want to solve this question.